Now it's time to show you how to work with observer design pattern. And for this lesson, I'm going to create one observer, which is our user or shopper or student. It doesn't matter, but I think it's better to use shopper. Shopper.js. It will be our observer. And I'm going to create two modules which will be observable. Let's create first observable module is category. This category will be observable because our shopper is waiting for sale in particular category. Category and observable module sales. Sales.js. Because this module will notify all users about all sales in every category. And let's create main module. Main module, main.js. Okay, good. Now let's import all these modules. Const shopper require here should be category. And here should be sales. Sales. Let's copy and paste. Now let's start to implement these modules. Let's start from the observer, our shopper class. Class shopper. Let's export this module because I can forget about it. Shopper. And let's create constructor with input parameter name. I'm using only one input parameter because this is an example, and for the real project you can use many other parameters. But now let's use only name. This dot name equals name. And let's create notify method to notify a particular shopper about sales. Here should be category name because we are waiting for sales in particular category. And discount. Discount. Okay. And let's create console log. Console.log to inform our users. Let's use these quotes. Pay attention. And create this dot name. We're gonna inform particular user about sale. There is a sale for category name. Category name. Courses. For example, hey Alex, there is a sale for design courses. And discount will be, for example, 20% off for each course, for every course, Okay, we finished with our observer object. Let's implement observable objects. Let's start from category. Class, category. Let's export this module, module.exports, exports and category. Okay, let's create constructor with input parameter name, this dot name, assign name. Let me explain a little bit. Category will be observable object. For this reason, we should add list of subscribers. Let's create empty array with subscribers. this dot subscribers. Okay, and it will be empty array because we are going to notify particular users about sales in particular category. Okay, let's implement two methods. First will be subscribe, and the second one will be sale. Here should be input parameter our shopper, or in other words, observer. And now we are going to add an observer to an array of subscribers. This dot subscribers push observer. Okay, and sales should have input parameter discount, because we should know how many % off we have. And now we're going to use for each method to notify all subscribers about particular sale. This dot subscribers dot for each, because we are going to check every subscriber. And observer. And now let's use notify method in observer class. This. Create observer dot notify. Good. But here should be input parameters. This dot name and discount. We are going to take name from this class category and discount from another class, because it will be input parameter. It seems now we finished with the category class, and let's implement sales. The sale class will notify all users about all sales in each category. Okay? And for example, if we want to create Black Friday sale, then we're gonna notify all users. Hey, we have some sales. Let's create class sales. Constructor. Here should be empty array with all sales. For example, summer sale, Black Friday sale, and so on. Sales. And now let's implement one method, notify. Or you can use sales notify, but this notify method is not the same like in the shopper class. Okay? You can use another name. Input parameter should be category name and discount. And let's use console.log, and here should be sentence. We have sales for the following categories. And now let's use this .sales array to push all sales. Push all sales as an object. Don't forget curly braces. Category name discount. Don't forget to export this module.exports sales. And let's go to the main module. First of all, let's create some categories. Const, for example, design category. Let's copy this line 2 times. And here we should use web development courses, web development category, web dev, and here should be, let's use personal development, PD, personal development, personal dev category. Okay, I think now it's enough. Let's create several users. Const poll new shopper poll. Let's copy this line 2 times. For example, Mike, John, and he should be Mike and John. Okay. And let's create, for example, summer sale or Black Friday sale for this sales module. Const Black Friday new sales. Okay. And now we should subscribe all users and our Black Friday sale to these categories. Let's copy design category and using method subscribe, this method will subscribe all our users. Subscribe. For example, poll, stop. Let's copy this line 2 times and poll Mike and John. Now let's use web category and subscribe only Mike, for example. And for the personal development section, I'm going to subscribe. Let's create one more user. For example, Alex. Okay. And let's subscribe this Alex to the personal development. And also we should subscribe for all 3 courses our Black Friday sale. Black Friday. Okay. And now let's show what sales we have. What is discount? 20% off. For web category, we have 50% off. You can use different numbers, it doesn't matter. For example, 15% off. And personal development will be, let's use 50%. Now let's create console log, console.log, to show all our sales for Black Friday. Black Friday dot sale. Okay, let's check. I hope now it's working. I have an error. Web category sales. Oh, yeah, it should be sale. Now we have list of users with notification about particular course. And also we have Black Friday notification, but I think it's better to get rid of this line. Let's delete it. Let's check one more time. Now it's better. I hope now you know how to use observer pattern. Don't forget to practice and see you in the next video, guys.